In the next few lessons, we're going to do a quick review of elementary algebra. So I want to start with reviewing some terminology. Remember, in algebra, we use letters to represent numbers, and this is a useful idea because it allows us to write general relationships that we find as formulas. So, for example, Ohm's law says that the voltage drop across a resistor is equal to the product of the resistance and the current. And so, rather than writing out all these words each time, we can just summarize this bit of information in a formula: V equals IR. And in this formula, V represents the voltage, R represents the resistance, and I represents the current. And what is helpful here is that this formula can be used for any problem involving the voltage across a resistor. We only have one formula that we need for that particular kind of problem. Okay, now back to some more terminology. We say an algebraic expression is any collection of letters, numbers, and symbols. And a term is a part of an expression which is added or subtracted. So, for example, in this expression, 3x plus 2y minus w squared, there are three terms. And those terms are 3x, 2y, and negative w squared. And we can distinguish between terms according to whether the term contains a variable or not. The variable term, of course, contains a variable. And in a variable term, the number part is known as the coefficient. So, for example, the variable term 3x has numerical coefficient 3.